If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Purging Sage 50 companies removes inactive customers, vendors, employees, jobs, quotes, invoices, purchases, and other items from the company file. You can only purge information for closed years. Doing this reduces the company file's size. You can purge your company file anytime. Good times to purge include the close of the fiscal year or payroll tax year. However, since the purge process may take a long time to complete, you should start it at the end of the business day, ensuring you leave the computer running. Also, ensure you close all other applications before performing the purge. The Purge Wizard helps you purge company files. It simplifies the purging process by prompting you for all the necessary information. You must create a backup before purging your company file. Sage 50 recommends you create two backups, one for the current file and one to store off-site in case of emergencies. The Purge Wizard helps you by letting you create the needed backups. Sage 50 also recommends that if you have extensive data, you may want to consider purging in sections rather than all at once. This allows for shorter, controlled sessions of purging, which saves time and memory resources. Also, note this is not the process used to repair corrupt data. That process is called restoring your company from a backup. To purge your company file in Sage 50 Accounting, select Tasks, System, Purge Wizard from the menu bar to open the Purge Wizard welcome screen. It shows the date of the most recently closed fiscal and payroll years. Like any other wizard, you click the Back and Next buttons to step through the Purge Wizard, answering the questions and responding to the prompts. Click the Next button after reading the Welcome screen to continue to the Backup Company Data screen. Here you can create one or preferably two backup copies of your company file before proceeding. To include your company name in the backup file, check the Include Company Name in the Backup File Name checkbox. Then click the Backup button to select where to save the backup file. In the Save Backup As window, navigate to the folder where you want to save the file. To rename the file if desired, use the File Name field. Sage 50 provides a default name that includes the company file's name if you chose to include it and the date. To save the file, click the Save button in the dialog box. Sage 50 then tells you the size of the backup file. Click OK in this message box to then start the backup. Don't interrupt the backup process, as doing so may corrupt the data. Click the Next button after making the backups to continue to the Old Transactions screen. This screen lets you select the transactions to purge. First, enter the date on or before which transactions can be purged. You can delete receivables, meaning quotes, sales orders, invoices, proposals in Sage 50 Premium Accounting, and receipts, payables, meaning POs, purchases, and payments, payroll, meaning any payroll transactions, inventory, meaning assemblies and adjustments if available, general journals, meaning journals and their entries, audit trails, used tickets, which are time and expense tickets used in payroll and sales, and unused tickets, which are unused time and expense tickets, and the date on or before which such tickets can be purged. When finished, click the Next button to continue to the Account Reconciliation screen. This screen lets you select whether or not to perform account reconciliation. To perform account reconciliation, decide which accounts to reconcile before the purge. Then select the Yes option to reconcile, or select the No option to skip the reconciliation. If you select the Yes option, then select the accounts to reconcile before purging. For each account category, like cash, double-click the black arrow to show a drop-down list of individual accounts. Unreconciled accounts will be marked by default. Click the checkbox to place a red check mark next to any accounts to reconcile. If an account is selected here, any transactions within the account that have not been reconciled, regardless of date, will not be purged. Click the Next button to continue to the Inactive Maintenance Records screen. This screen lets you decide the types of inactive maintenance records to purge. You can only purge inactive records if they are not used in transactions and also have zero balances. Select the checkboxes next to the types of inactive records to purge. When you are ready, click Next to continue to the Summary of Options screen. Here you see a summary of the different purge options. If you are satisfied with the options, click the Begin Purge button to start the purge. If unsatisfied, click the Back button to return to the previous screens and change the undesired options. Then return to this screen and click the Begin Purge button. After clicking the Begin Purge button, the Purge Wizard shows the purge's progress. After the purge is complete, it shows a Purge is Complete message. To see a detailed log of the purge, click the Log button to open the log file in a new window, which you can close after reviewing it. To then close the Purge Wizard window, click the Close button within it. Remember to click the Subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.